Do you think charges against nonviolent protesters stemming from the arrests made at the protests for racial justice during the summer of 2020 should be dropped? And why or why not? Please, in your answer, address how your office affects the office financially. So Mr. Roberts, we'll go with you first.
Okay, first of all, let me just tell you, I totally believe in protest. I don't have any objection to it at all. I think it's wonderful. If it's in a great school, if it's in a city, I think it's very, very beneficial, and I support it totally. What I don't support is where there's violence or where people want to be arrested for what they're doing. Now, we had thousands of people in Lexington who protested, and it was peaceful, and not one single person carrying a sign or talking or even yelling at the police were arrested. Not one. Now, when those people, this is on the 13th of June, folks, when those people stood up with April Taylor and she said, who wants to be arrested? You get over here on the left, and I have a video of this. Who wants to be not arrested? Get over here. Some people got over in this lane over here, and they are the ones who went and broke through the gates in front of the police department that night. And they were peaceful doing that, but there was a reason why those barriers were there. The broken glass of the police door by somebody, that gives you reason that the police department's under attack. Fire folks was put under the door of the police department. So they built a barrier around that. And the police, when they came in and laid down, they were peaceful. They were peaceful. But the police said, folks, don't do that. Go over on the sidewalk. Don't do it in front of the police barrier. And they did it anyway. And so they were arrested. It's a charge of trespassing. The people who did that have pled guilty to it, or they were put in diversion. They had the options. April Taylor, who has pled guilty to trying to incite a riot, did not.
Mr. Roberts, your time is up. Thank you. Ms. Evans.
So protesting is a right. It's one of our most fundamental rights. So I believe in that wholeheartedly. I'm a little frustrated right now, and I know I have some time, so I don't have a lot of time, but Mr. Roberts, on other issues that you have been asked about, you always say that it's an open case, and so you can't talk about it. And you just talked about this entire case in front of a whole group of people. So it seems like you want to talk about cases when you want to talk about them. And that is not something any prosecutor, any government official should be doing. That's an ethics issue. If it's an open case, it's an open case, and you don't talk about it. So that's the issue that I have with that, talking about it, period. But protesting, my concern is not that this case particularly, it's what happens next. Because Frankfurt is coming down with a whole lot of laws that are going to be protested. And so we're talking about not just this issue, but other issues that are coming up. And he has made it very clear that he will prosecute whomever, regardless of what they're protesting about. So that means House Bill 3, trans bathroom issues and bills that are coming through. So he's going to prosecute anyone. So it's not just a
Ms.
black
Evans,
community
your time
issue.
is up.
It is everyone, because
Thank you.
protesting is our right.
Thank you.